Okay, so I just woke up from a nap. So excuse the parents. So this is what I came in the post. So I don't know what it is. I do and I don't know what it is. So here's my trusty dusty knife to open it. I'll take that off. Herforher.com. So it says, "Dear Emma, thank you for your prayers. It is very much appreciated. Every effort has been made to ensure that our product is of high quality and it's wonderful." So, if you don't know her, check her up on AliExpress. I'll put a link to her channel down below where I got this choker wrapped up. Says baby girl, and then just simply get or this bit slides off. Ooh. And then you can put a padlock on it if you really want. The side. For personal color, it is very cheap. I got on the tight satin. You can get it, for your neck and stuff like that. But I'm very happy. And then as you see on the side, you can stick a lock. So yeah, super cute. But I'm gonna loosen a little bit because I made it a little bit too tight. This is a small business on Etsy. As I said, I'll put the link down below for this. Put on the second one just to be like a bit more comfortable on my throat. Personally, much as I love to have things on the tight satin, so I can twirl it and it's just great. So there's that unboxed. Now I did show you the rest of my colours. So first one's a big tight one, fake leather. All these are fake leather. This one I think it was from eBay or AliExpress, so I'm gonna say AliExpress. This one was also from AliExpress. Cute and tight. This one's definitely AliExpress. Kitty cat there. AliExpress. And if you don't know, that says kitty. But it's got little clips on the back instead of like a proper tie. So it's a clippy one. This one is very old. I've had it for a while. As you can see, it's a little bit worn. This one was eBay, I want to say, eBay. So yeah, this one was eBay. Just type in the colours. These ones were one of my favourites. The little hearts. There's a black one and there's a red one. Both eBay. I just type in collar with a red heart. It's all like screwed in. So love it, little spikes, cute. Same with this one, all screwed in. Little spikes are cute. This one is cute. This one actually comes with a padlock. So this is a padlock, so it comes with a key. eBay. It's very comfortable on your neck and everything. It's easy to wear. Just remember to unlock it and lock it, and make sure you have the key on hand. This one's like a little hangy one. I thought it was cute. It just dangles on your throat. So you've got like a nice little chain. But this comes in silver as well, so there's that. And then this one I got at a little shop in Southampton. I got from my friend. It's got little hearts and little like sparkly bits in it. So it's tight, but like, yeah. So yeah, that would be my collar collection. Thanks for watching.